So ang main difference karon sa tong third conference natay mga imports, so natay mga new gimmicks na pod, so that will synthesize the barangays pod if they have the budget and they're willing to import ang mga players pod para more siya avenue pod para mas mustaja tong dula. Pero for me ang first ug second atong conference usually hoping atong third pod pohon na same magkakasadya pod, or if ever kung makaya nato kita tanan more kasadya po per se sa third conference po. So among goal sa atong all dula po is to JT is tapan lang dyan, mura dyan. Also, katong isulti ni Atty. Luigi Haro, ito rin mo focus sa mga among ginatulad karon like basketball, chess, volleyball. We also want to open avenues for other sports po, like karon ako incoming na motocross race karong January 11. Among population size, first ever population size motocross race po inyo. And also, atong December po, I had a year-end race para sa itong mga MTV, kalang hilig mga bike diri, nabay niya pili. Or puros basketball nation is not diri. Okay. So, aside from that, we don't plan on stopping dyan ka na mga activities para diri sa Dumaguete. Kay, because of this, I get to meet all of you here. Kung wala po di po ta makaila-ila po diri. And also because of this, we're also building a community po sa Tuwa. So I get to meet new people, create new friendships, connections. So that's pretty much it lang. Don't expect us to stop this activities anytime soon po. So
more fun Dumaguete.
More fun in Dumaguete per se. People field.
Basketball.
Ay, basketball. Atong sugod sa quarterfinals, magsugod sa Masiyas naman ta. Quarters to finals, yes.
Okay.
Graduate on being yun.